I've run a very quick video here on estimating. So if estimating comes up, make sure you read the keyword. First thing you need to do is round your numbers. You round into one significant figure. So one significant figure here is the 5. What does the 8 do to the 5? Well, it turns it to a 6. One significant figure here is 2. So what does the 7 do to the 2? It turns it to a 3. Now the denominator here is 0.21. One significant figure is that 2, so it's going to stay at 0.2. Then what you're saying is 18, 6 times 3 is 18 divided by 0.2, and you need to try and get this denominator to 1. So to get that to 1, I need to times by 5. So therefore you times the top by 5 as well. You times the top by 5, you end up with 90. So the answer is 90 over 1, which would be just 90. So all of that being estimated is 90. Let's look at this second example here where we've got some worded stuff. So a machine makes 485 pence per hour. Straight away, because we're talking about estimating, so what the question says, we turn that to 500. It works for 7.5 hours a day. Let's call that 8 hours. And in a week, 5 days, estimate the number of pencils made. Can't round that at all. 5 days is fine. So 500 pens in an hour. We're working for 8 hours. So I do 8 times 500. Or just do your 8 times 5, which is 40. Stick your 2 zeros back on. So in one day, it makes 4,000 pens. And then you're doing 4,000 times by the 5, which would give you 20,000 pens, would be an estimate of how many it makes in a week. Okay, just make sure you don't work these questions out perfectly in an exam. If you see the word estimate, round some numbers, work stuff out from there.